Hey, Daniel. Hi. What do you want for dinner? Ribs? From where? Portillos? Really? Come on. Why don't we go to Kansas City and get some real ribs? Clear? Okay. Before taxing, flaps. 0. Radio and avionics set. Cabin heat, defrost when needed. Fuel selector, switch tank, parking brakes.
Page tower information, X-ray 1452 Zulu, wind 310 at 8, visibility 10, ceiling 1800 overcast, temperature -4, dew point -9, altimeter 3006. ILS approach runway 2 left in use, landing and departing, runways 2 left and 33. IFR departures, contact ground control for IFR clearance. VFR departures, advise ground control, direction of flight or type of pattern work. Notice Airman Airport Beacon, out of service. Advise on initial contact, you have X-ray.
2-page tower, Cirrus 333, Romeo Delta, Airbus 18 hangars. VFR to the southwest with X-ray.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta to page ground, runway 2 left at Whiskey 3, intersection departure, taxi via Echo Whiskey, hold short of runway 28. Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, amend your taxi instructions, turn right taxiway Foxtrot. Cross runway 10 at Foxtrot, continue via Golf Whiskey, Whiskey 3. Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta for flight following, departure frequency 133.5.
133.5, thank you. 3 Romeo Delta.
Roger. Number 3 Romeo Delta, if you'd prefer a intersection at Yankee, runway 2 left at Yankee, it's available. Whiskey 2 might be occupied for a while, or any of the other intersections, Whiskey 3 or full length at Zulu.
Yes, I'll take Whiskey 3. 3 Romeo Delta.
Number 3 Romeo Delta, Roger. And November 3 Romeo Delta, the aircraft ahead at Whiskey 2 will be moving shortly if you'd prefer that intersection instead.
No, I'll still take Whiskey 3, thank you. 3 Romeo Delta.
Roger.
Two-page tower, Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta at Whiskey 3, ready for takeoff.
Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta, 2-page tower, left turn southwest bound, runway 2 left at Whiskey 3, cleared for takeoff, wind 340 at 6.
Caps available. Flock of birds. You missed it.
Yeah, I missed it.
It wasn't like far away. It was like 100, 200 feet away.
Oh, nice. They do a lot of migration this time of year. Chicago approach, Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta. I would like to request some flight following, please.
Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta, squawk 5140.
5140, 3 Romeo Delta.
333 Romeo Delta, your radar contact 5 northwest of the Aurora Airport. And what's your destination?
Destination is India X-ray Delta, 3 Romeo Delta.
Check.
3 Romeo Delta traffic at your 12 o'clock, 3 miles, type altitude unknown. It's traffic that just keeps popping up and going away. Looks like they're probably doing like low altitude stuff at that airport. You're 12 o'clock at a mile.
Roger, looking for traffic, 3 Romeo Delta.
3 Romeo Delta, leaving my airspace to the southwest. Radar services terminated, squawk VFR. For further flight following, contact Chicago Center on 123.75.
12375, have a good day. Thank you.
November 333 Romeo Delta, radar contact 900 miles west Plano intersection. Stay safe, aircraft.
Cirrus SR-22 Turbo, 3 Romeo Delta.
3 Romeo Delta, Illinois Valley, altimeter 3012. Show your altitude is 1,800.
3012, altitude 1,800. We'll start climbing 3,000, 3 Romeo Delta. So much nicer at this altitude.
It's quieter.
Yeah.
November 333 Romeo Delta, contact Quad City approach 133.27. Good day.
133.27. Have a good day, 3 Romeo Delta. Quad City approach, Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta at 4,500.
Delta, good morning, Quad City approach. Quad City altimeter 3014, say altitude.
3014, 4,500.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, altitude check, thank you.
Wake me up when we get there.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, contact Chicago Center on 135.6. Have a good day.
135.6, 333 Romeo Delta. Have a good day.
That mighty Mississippi.
November 333 Romeo Delta, contact Kansas City Center 126.22.
12622, 3 Romeo Delta. Kansas City, Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta at 4,500.
Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta, Kansas City approach Roger. Expect runway 18 at New Century.
Runway 18, 3 Romeo Delta.
Tango Kansas City departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 4,000.
There's the city.
Climb to 4,000, a Wichita Tango.
The city.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, you can descend at your discretion for New Century.
Descending at discretion, 3 Romeo Delta.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, you are clear through the Bravo airspace if you want to make a turn to the right and clip the corner of it.
Roger, 3 Romeo Delta. Thank you.
New Century Air Center. Automated weather observation 1753 Zulu. Wind 120 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 08 Celsius. Dew point -07 Celsius. Altimeter 3004. Remarks. Density altitude 500.
Kansas City, Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta. I have the airport in sight.
Air Bonanza 0 micro manager. Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, Roger. And radar services terminated. Squawk VFR and contact New Century Tower 133.0.
New Century, Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta. 5 miles north, inbound for landing, full stop.
Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta, New Century Tower, wind 170 at 14, altimeter is 3004. Make straight your approach runway 18, report a 2 mile final.
18, reporting 2 mile final, 3 Romeo Delta.
Altitude.
New Century Tower, Cirrus 333 Romeo Delta, 2 mile final.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, runway 18, clear to land.
18 clear to land, 3 Romeo Delta.
Cirrus 3 Romeo Delta, contact Chicago Center 123.75.
12375, 3 Romeo Delta.